In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to get 1000 subscribers faster with nothing but your AI or chat GTP. Okay, so if you are seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Francisca and welcome to my class. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method you're going to get to 1000 subscribers faster with your AI or chat GTP. Now, why using AI or chat GTP? It will only give you a content ideas, script your video, do the rest of them for you just for free without wasting time. Okay, now let's start from generating your video. So now I am on my chat GTP. Okay, you first of all open your chat GTP, then give it a prompt like this. So now this is the prompt that I give the chat GTP. I'm new into cooking niche. Give me a 10 subtopic that my audience would care. Okay, so once you do it like this, click on this arrow here and allow it to generate. Do you understand? So now the ChatGPT or your AI will generate your subtopics. Then once it gives you these topics, now you are going to select 2 or 3 and go ahead and do the necessary things that you have to do. So now let's wait for it to generate the ideas. This is what the ChatGPT gave us. Okay, it says that's a great start. The cooking niche is huge and full of passionate audience. Since you are new, it is smart to focus on subtopics that attract views, are easy to create content around, and help you build authority fast. So it generates the cooking subtopics now. So these are the subtopics that it generated. Here are 10 cooking subtopics your audience will care about with examples for each. Number 1, it says quick and easy meals. People love simple recipes that save time. Do you understand now? So it's bringing out the subtopics that you are going to start generating content. Okay, examples: 5-minute breakfast ideas, dinner recipe you can make in 15 minutes, no oven baking recipes. Do you see it now? Now number 2, healthy cookies, your weight loss meals, perfect for health conscious viewers. Examples: local colonial lunch ideas, healthy smoothie recipes, meal prep for week. Are you seeing it? So these are the meals that the ChatGPT gave us to the subtopic that the ChatGPT gave us to write. Okay, now it says, would you like me to help you choose the best 2 to 3 topics to start your channel with, based on what gets more views for new creators? I can also suggest video ideas plus title and the rest of them. Do you see it now? So now we are going to choose 2 to 3 subtopics to create our content based on what the audience wants. Do you understand? Now let's choose. Okay, you will go ahead and say choose the best 2 to 3 subtopics. Do you understand? To start a channel with. Now let's wait for it to generate. Okay, now this is the prompt that I gave it. Now choose the best 2 to 3 subtopics to start your channel with, based on what gets more views for new creators. You know, once you start a new YouTube channel, you are going to focus on what your audience wants. Whether you are a new YouTuber or you are just starting, you are going to focus on what your audience wants. Okay, now this is what it says. Excellent. That is the smartest way to begin. After analyzing what new cooking channels grow faster on YouTube based on recent SEO and trend data, here are the top 3 subtopics that bring the most views, watch time, and engagement right now. This is it here now. Number 1, quick and easy meal. Do you understand why it works? Are you seeing it here? high search volume every month. Do you understand? Perfect for short form YouTube shorts and long form content. Appeal to students, workers, and beginners. Did you see reason it suggests this particular content for us? Example video ideas. 3 quick dinner recipes under 15 minutes. Easy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. 5 lazy meal anyone can make with their hashtag. Do you see the hashtag quick meal, easy recipe, cooking for beginners, 15 minutes meal? Are you seeing it now? Now, number 2, budget friendly cooking. Now, after that, if you don't know the type of content, if you don't know what to do again, under here it will say, would you like me to help you create a 30-day video content plan with title plus hashtags plus description ideas based on the subtopics that way you can start posting consistently with a growth strategy. Did you see it now? Now, since it have given you the videos that will give you more views, immediately you start uploading. This is what you're going to do. You come over here now and ask this ChatGPT again. Give me a this is what it says. Now, I give it a prompt that give me a 30 video content plan with title, hashtags, description ideas based on the 3 subtopics. And this is what it says. Perfect. You are about to build a powerful cooking channel foundation. Below is your 30-day YouTube content plan built around the 3 winning subtopics. Now, quick and easy meals, budget-friendly cooking, viral trending recipes. Like me to help you turn this 30-day plan into a content calendar template, Google Sheets or PDF with posting days, notes, any keyword slot, so you can track and stay consistent. Are you seeing it now? So by following this, to get your 1,000 subscribers will be fast. That is, to get your views will be faster for you. Do you understand? And remember, once you get your views, the probability of you getting your 1,000 subscribers is 100% assured. Okay, so this is it here now. Now, when you are done with all those things that I showed you in the video, okay, there are some pitfalls, there are some weak points you have to encounter. Do you understand now? Some of the pitfall you're going to encounter is overtrusting ChatGPT. Remember, it is an AI. Do you understand? Now, once it gives you a prompt or once it gives you some keywords, make sure you go ahead and research it. Okay, go and make proper research about that particular ideas that it gives you. Okay, because it is an AI, is not a human being. Now, as a human being, you have to go ahead and cross-check those things that it gives you before any other going further to create your content. Do you understand? Now, another pitfall you are going to encounter is keyword research. Once it generates the ideas for you, go ahead and do your keyword research. Do you understand? You can do your keyword research with your VDQ, TubeBuddy, AI, and the rest of them. Do you understand? Don't just go ahead and create your content and upload. Go ahead and check the keyword research before you are going to upload your video, so that people will be able to watch your video. Do you understand? So that once people search for your video, they will be able to see your video. Now, another pitfall you're going to encounter is weak intro. If you have a weak intro, people are 100% going to click off, and it will make your video not to rank, because once YouTube analyze your video and realize that people click off at the 30 seconds or a second or 2 seconds of your video, they will just find your video as not interesting, not what people would love to watch, and thereby making your video not to be going viral. Do you understand? So make sure you go with a strong intro or strong hook. Then if you don't know how you are going to start generating a strong intro, just go over to your ChatGPT. As you're creating your script, make sure you include starting with a strong intro so that people will be able to last longer in watching your video. Another pitfall is no promotions. No, now as a beginner, once you create your content, once you are done with uploading your video, you have to share it some of your social medias, okay, like your Facebook, WhatsApp status, Twitter, and the rest of them. Do you understand? Some people will tell you not to share your video to other social medias because of they will attract the wrong audience. Yes, it will attract the wrong audience, but let me explain something for you. If you want to share your video to your social media handles, make sure that what you are doing here is also what you are doing there. Do you understand? Thereby you attract your audience that is in your other social media platforms to your channel. Do you understand? Now if you're into cooking in your other platforms, don't just share your YouTube tips there unless you are into cooking niche. Now if you're not into cooking niche, or if you are into your YouTube growth tips, you can share your video there so that they will also come from that place to your YouTube channel and subscribe. Now the last but not the least is giving up soon. That is the highest thing you can ever do to yourself. Giving up too soon. Don't give up. No matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it is, keep on pushing. And as you are pushing, try to learn new things. Do you understand? Improve in so many things like your metadata, like your title, your thumbnail, and the rest of them. Do you understand? Remember, your title and your thumbnail speak a lot about your video. So if they are poor, people are not going to watch. Do you understand? It's as simple as that. If your thumbnail is poor, if your title is not what people are searching for, automatically you are not going to get views. It is as simple as that. So make sure that you do all these things that I mentioned so that you get your 1000 subscribers faster. Okay, now I'm going to stop here. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Okay, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.